Hi everyone, I am Mikcham Sharma, founder of Infowale.com. Today we are going to launch our very first podcast and we have Shefali garg with us who has almost 8 years of experience to talk on Azure fundamentals. So let's get started.
Hello everyone. So today we will talk about Microsoft Azure. So first let's understand what is Microsoft Azure. It is a cloud provider which provides various platform as a service and infrastructure as a service. Azure has cloud solution to all the problems or I would say all the infrastructure problems by providing services to the different domains. Did you know that 95% of the Fortune 500 companies are using Azure? Also, it is 5 times cheaper than AWS in terms of Windows and SQL because there are other Microsoft tools. As per Forbes, Microsoft Azure is going to boost the size of the IT market by $10 trillion in the next 10 years. As per the prediction, 80% of the business will going to move their workload to Azure by 2025. For better understanding, let's start from the very beginning. So Microsoft Azure was announced in October 2008 and released on February 1, 2010. First as Windows Azure and later named as Microsoft Azure on 25 March 2015. So what is Agile Cloud Computing? Agile is a software development methodology. It allows for incremental change over time where solutions evolve through collaboration. So there are 4 integral Microsoft Azure service domains, and the first one is Azure Compute. Compute is the most integral domain in Azure as it brings everything together with virtual machines. So in compute, you can get on-demand computer scalable resources, Azure virtual machines, app services, and container instances. Next one is Azure Networking, the network from the clouds. So VNet networking tool that connects all the Azure resources together. And this Azure networking allows to connect all the Azure resources with the on-premises services and further create multiple networks. The third one is Azure Storage, which provides the storage solution which are durable, which are large-scale application and data-driven applications can be built without any hassle. Azure automatically scales the storage requirement as per users and balances their throughput according to the connections made. And the last one is the Azure Database. Azure provides relational databases, NoSQL databases, data lakes, and data warehouses. It provides scalable, high available, and fault-tolerant databases. It scales according to the incoming data without any fault tolerance. There are various job roles in Azure, so let's take a look at one of the most popular roles, Azure Developer. Azure Developer is a cloud professional who creates cloud application by leveraging the benefits of the cloud infrastructure. If you have a proficient in testing, security, development, and deployment, where Azure can help you well. The jobs will include the testing of the application, maintaining, developing, and the deploying of the application.
Thank you and stay connected for more updates.